Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Create Wealth, where we talk about Forex trading. How can we trade Forex with the help of expert advisors and robots? Guys, this video is about Don't Bother EA. Don't Bother EA we have been running from last 5 to 6 months, but earlier we were trading it on high risk mode, and now we are trading it on significant risk, that is called as calculated risk and low risk mode. Okay, so here is the performance so far. We started trading on this account from on 13th of November, and it is an auto applied, like you just need to install it on just one chart and it will be auto applied to 3 pairs. It works on 3 pairs, 3 auto selected pairs itself. Okay, so you just need to install it on just one chart and it will be auto applied to all the 3 charts together. The minimum requirement to trade is 1000, and let's start from here. We started it on 13th of November and today is 22nd of December. This is on significant risk, that is also known as calculated risk. Okay, so we are done. We made a profit of 55.74 on a deposit of 1000, and as you see, this is significant risk. Okay, so this is significant risk, that is also known as calculated risk. I will also share you the MyFX book link, but just go for the low risk trading as well. Okay, so there is not much significant difference between two as of now, and it will be, we can feel it like once it is going to be longer time, like 3 months, 6 months, or something like that, and based on high movements in the forex market. Okay, because the strategy to use both are different, but yes, managing the trade sizes are also different for both. Okay, so let's go to the low risk mode now. So this is a low risk now. Okay, so the same day we install it on 13th of November, 1000, same. Okay, so far we generated 55.19 profit. Okay, and the running trades are just these two. Just these two are the running trades, and same running trades will be on this account also. Okay, so there is no we are not going to feel any significant difference right now, unless we experience it for next couple of months. We already experienced the high risk mode for around five months or 6 months of earlier, and now we are trading it on low risk and significant risk mode. So let's go to my FX book page now. Here is the my FX book page of the calculated risk, that is significant risk. Okay, so we made a profit of 55 point something that we already discussed. So far it is like monthly 4.27%, and the drawdown has been so far 1.38%, and this week we made 0.92%, this month we made 3.12%, and this year we made 5.65% so far. And these are the two running trades, right? And these are like November we made 2.46%, and this is 3.12% so far. And if you go below, like you can find there are other forex systems that my FX book link is available. Okay, if you would like to check a couple of them, then you can also go through them as per your convenience and choice. Okay, so let's go to the my FX book of low risk mode now. This is the low risk one, and you will not find much significant difference, right? Okay, the drawdown has been 1.51%, monthly has been 4.17%, and this month we made 3.12%, 0.92% this week, and 0.22% today. And so far it is like 2.33%, and this is 3.12%. And again, you can find all other trading systems that are there on my FX book. You can just open any one my FX book link. I will also include these two links in the video description, but in case if I miss, then probably I will add it by tomorrow or maybe day after. But in case if you have any question, you can contact me via email or telegram. My email and telegram both um, contact are mentioned in the video description. Please go through that, and if you have any question, you can contact me by either ways. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you all the very best wishes for the upcoming new year and the Christmas. And those of you like who would like to learn Forex manually from scratch till advanced level, you can contact me via Telegram, or you can also join a link that is there in the video description. But in case if I miss to include it now, then you can contact me via Telegram, and I will provide you the detailed information. Then how we can start in the new year. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, stay safe, and stay happy with your family. And look forward to talk to you soon. Bye.